Although this should be the quickest and the easiest video that we're going to set up here, but we're going to keep it separate from the actual DHCP, editing the DHCP conf file. So in this video, I'm going to install the DHCP service. So again, we're going to sudo that, apt install isc. You can see my notes is where I'm getting this information, which is I'm locked in. My notes would right here is where I'm getting that isc dhcp server. Type in my password, and it will install DHCP server. So at this point, this is when I would switch over my network. So I'm going to hit Control again to unlock my mouse. I'd switch over to the network. Actually, I'm going to verify tools, DHCP, which one I want. And I haven't set it up yet. So we're going to do 10.161. Well, it depends on the actual project. So right here, so we're going to do 10.161.1.x. X equals 0 if your student number is odd. So I'll just say my number is even. So I'll start at 128. So it'll be 128. And then if you're even number, it's going to be /25. So 128/25. So in this case, I create, which this is part of a previous video, but I'll just do it here. Again, this will be 10.161.1.128, and it's /25. So I'll have a sum that mask of 128. Although it wants the IP address of the adapter, not the actual network. VMware is going to be done differently. So in this case, the adapter, I'll give it the, let me check the project again. Assign static IP address, use the last usable IP address. So there you go. So I'll give the default gateway the first usable IP address because it just simply makes sense. So in this case, it'd be 129. All right. I hit, and we're going to turn off the DHCP server because I am going to be the DHCP server. Good. Apply. Yes. Administration. There it is. It's called number 3. So now I can close this out, go back to my server, and change the network over to number 3. In another lab, I show you how to set up a static IP. It's going to be host only, number 3. And then you're off and running. One thing I do want to show you ahead of time is the server we're going to be modifying is, we're going to use what's called system control, because we're, in Ubuntu they use system control, right? And then we can do a status of dhcpd. System. That'd be nice if I spelled it right. System control dhcp status dhcpd. Delay dhcp. That's right. My head's stuck in the clouds. ISO DHCP server. All right, and it's currently not loaded up. It's not running, and that's because my conf isn't set up yet. But that's what we're going to use to start. It will fail a start right now, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Right now it's not starting because the config file has a issue, which is what we're going to configure which is under etc dhcp decomp. That'll be handled in the next video. All right, that's all I really have to do cover in this video. All right, so keep in mind system control. Again, we have status, start, we have restart, and then we have stop, which is already stopped. Okay, so there you go. All right, I'll talk to you later.